Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we are going to unbox a brand new smartwatch from Honor. This is the Honor 3. So we can see a little bit of the watch. So this package is only in Chinese, but you can see the image here. So it has sleep monitor, heart rate, notification or messages, and different kinds of sports. NFC, this is quite a feature of this watch. So yeah, it supports 4.4 or above Android and iOS 9.0 or above. So yeah, it's powered by Huawei, and let's begin with unbox. So first, in the bottom we have the cable, and we have the charging head. So this is one piece. Also we have the user manual, all in Chinese. And we have finally the watch. Let's take this out of the way and let's see the watch. So here we can see the name is here, Honor, and in the bottom we have the sensor. It has a rubbery material. Steps, heart rate, outdoor running, so it has multiple sport option: swim, run, and this was some of the option. This watch has all the other function. For example, passometer, sleep tracker, heart rate, activity tracker, fitness tracker, message reminder, call reminder, etc. And it supports different language, for example Russian, Portuguese, Spanish, English, Chinese, etc. This screen is LED type, and it's made from carbon fiber. And this watch is waterproof. So yeah, you can swim with it. The Honor 3, it has a 100 mAh battery. In a single charge it will last almost 13 days. So it has a great battery. Now as you can see, it's full. The Honor 3, it weighs only 18 grams, so it's very light and very easy for your fitness or other sport. It fits good, it looks good, so yeah. Now we can try some of the futuristic of the Honor 3. Let's put this on, and then we can see, for example, heart rate or steps. Now we start to count in our steps, and this is the heart rate. So the Honor 3 has more option and function. After you connect with your phone, it's gonna show those function. So now, as you guys can see, it's showing the real-time heart rate. Very useful for running or fitness. We have outdoor running, lung press, and it's gonna count down. Then it's gonna start to measure our distance and seconds. Next we have swim, lung press to enter. We have indoor run, same as the outdoor run. It's gonna come down and start to measure our distance and the seconds. It will bright when you move your hand. So as you guys can see, the main page or the interface, it's quite simple. You have Bluetooth, battery, time, day of the week, and the steps. Next we have the option, different option. So it's easy to use, and the Honor 3 is competitive with Mi Band 2. We will compare it with other device in the next video. So yeah, you guys can see it's very simple. And for the next video we will show you how to connect your Honor 3 with your phone and the app. So to see that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and turn the notification on.